guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Candace and today we are talking about gel nails and at-home gel manicures. Le Mini Macaron reached out to me to try one of their main products. This is a at-home starter kit for gel nails. So it comes with a nail file, remover wipes, and it comes with an LED lamp. Now the LED lamp is in the shape of a macaron and it's so darn cute. So we're gonna walk through it today. We're gonna try it out, see how it all works, and then I'm gonna share my review of this product at the end of the video. They've got all kinds of colors and I got to try the red manicure kit. So let's get into this product. Okay, so the kit comes in a plastic container here. Right away, we have the main attraction, which is this red macaron shaped lamp. It's got some silver accents on it, and this is what we're going to use to cure the gel nail polish. Let's start off by opening up this kit and seeing what's all included. There's a small package in here. They have a red nail file to match the red macaron lamp. I love it. And then they have a cuticle pusher as well, and then some removal wipes. They've also included a red gel nail polish, and this one is called the Cherry Red. And then this is the USB cord that's included in the kit, and this is what we're going to use to plug into the LED lamp. First end of it goes directly into the lamp, and then the other USB end will go into your laptop, for example, or an external power source like a power bank as well. And then once that's connected, we're all set to use it. Now let's move on to application. Now the next thing we're going to want to do is prep our nails. So we're going to take that red nail file that was included and we're going to just roughen up the surface of our nail. This is going to allow the gel nail polish to have a surface that it can actually stick to. So just to make sure the surface of your nail is as clean and clear as possible, you're going to take the removal wipes and just swipe your nails and get rid of any residue. I'm going to take the Cherry Red gel nail polish. Now, if you haven't used gel nail polish before, you'll notice that this one is a little bit thicker than regular nail polish, but don't be tempted to apply thicker coats. The thinner, the better. The Mini Macaron nail polish is an all-in-one gel nail polish. What that means is it includes the base coat, it includes the color and the top coat all wrapped into one nice formula. There's no extra steps involved or required. After we've applied our first coat of gel nail polish, we're going to go ahead and cure this under the LED lamp by pressing the little button on top and letting it cure for 30 seconds. It's automatically timed, so don't worry about timing that yourself. After you've cured your first coat, you're going to go ahead and apply your second coat and cure that again under the lamp for 30 seconds. Once that's complete, you're going to move on to your next nail. So the process of using this kit is to apply a coat, cure, and repeat. You're going to do that 2 times at least for each nail. So instead of applying one coat to all nails all at once and then curing them one by one, you're instead going to do one full application for each nail, going one by one. And voila, that's it guys. That's 2 coats of the Cherry Red gel nail polish. It is giving us shine, it's giving us gel, it's giving us everything. Loving this one. So welcome back. So I'm a little bit hot and cold with this product and I'm going to tell you why in just a second. Let's go through some of the pros and cons of how I felt about this product and then we'll give it a kind of like a final rating at the end, okay? Let's start with the pros. This is the cutest product. It is everything. It's got great packaging, great messaging, fonts, everything. It is so fun to use and it just makes you like really excited and looking forward to doing your nails, if that makes sense. The second thing is that it is travel friendly. Now, this is definitely something you can kind of drop into your purse. It's something you can carry around. Maybe you forgot to do your nails one day. and you kind of need a quick pick-me-up, this is definitely that product that can travel with you. It's easy to store. It can go wherever you need it to go, basically. Third thing is that it's super easy to use. I love that all of the things you need for a gel manicure are included in this kit. All the instructions were there, and if there was any questions that I had, a lot of the information was available on their website. I like that everything is all in one. So let's go in now with some of the cons, or some of, I guess, the nays for this particular product. So the first con is definitely the fact that you have to apply the nail polish kind of one by one. I didn't quite love that. I kind of felt like it felt like a lot to me. Like you have to go one by one with the little LED lamp. You know, you have your full-size LED lamp where you kind of stick your hand in and go, right? But this one you got to go one by one to get the best use out of the product. Didn't quite love that. Not something I would definitely want to reach for. That said, they do have a full-size LED lamp available on their website if that's something you would more look toward. The next nay is that it isn't as convenient because the LED lamp is USB powered. So you can't plug it into the wall. You're kind of having to plug it into your computer, your laptop, or, you know, another kind of like external power source. You know, if you don't have that handy, then you can't really use it. I would give this product a 4.5 because not loving that you have to kind of go one by one, but it's super cute. It's easy to use. If you're looking for an all-in-one kit, this is definitely that kit that you want to go for. Anyways, guys, that's it for the video. If you like this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. And then if you're new for the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I have a lot in store for you guys for 2021, and I'm excited to see what we have for next year. Thank you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.